Hey guys, Jeremy Peterson with Bill Marsh Kalkaska, and today I wanted to show you the benefit of having a vehicle equipped with keyless entry and remote start key fobs. In this video, I'll be going over these features with a Jeep Gladiator. And the steps that I take in this video may differ from your vehicle's required steps, but you can use this video as a baseline for understanding the features. It's also important to know that different manufacturers have different names for these features. For instance, Jeep named this feature Keyless Entry and Go. In addition to that, keyless entry and remote start are factory installed features that you must request before purchasing the vehicle and give you a better all-over experience owning the vehicle. Aftermarket solutions for these features do exist, but generally you'll have better ease of use and peace of mind with a factory installed feature. A key fob with remote start will have a dedicated button with a semicircular arrow and X2 lettering. On this Jeep Gladiator key fob, you'll notice the lock, unlock, remote start, and alarm buttons. The key fob itself is what will allow you to enter your vehicle with keyless entry and go. Remote start is great to have because it means your vehicle is already on before you enter. This means that your engine is on and your automatic climate controls are already working so that you can enter your vehicle at your preferred temperature on the inside regardless of the weather outside. And as you can see here in Michigan, we're already in those winter months, which means having remote start is a great benefit and value to owning a Gladiator. To activate remote start on a Gladiator, simply press the remote start button 2 times. The vehicle will flash its lights and honk twice and turn on the engine after this. The automatic climate controls will also turn on at this time to whatever temperature it was programmed to last, so keep this in mind during the warm or cold seasons. To turn off remote start, just give the remote start button a quick press and the car will turn off. Your key fob equipped with keyless entry and go acts as a smart key and communicates with your vehicle to unlock the doors when you're within 5 feet of the vehicle. This means you don't need to press any buttons to unlock the doors. The door handles are where you will lock and unlock the car, with the inside of the door handle acting as a proximity sensor to unlock the doors automatically, though this is only on the driver and front passenger door handles. To unlock the doors, simply have the key fob with you and be within 5 feet of the vehicle, and put your hand on the inside of the door handle. All of the doors unlock automatically after this. You don't need to pull on the door handle either, unless of course you want to get in the vehicle. The little black button on the handle is the lock button, which will lock all of the doors. Make sure not to press the lock button as you're trying to unlock the doors, as this will lock the doors instead. And that's how simple and easy it is to use keyless entry and go. And now I wanted to demonstrate for you how this all comes together, and we're going to start with remote start. So I have my key fob in hand, and I'm simply going to press the remote start button twice. Now the Gladiator is on and warming up to my preferred temperature. Now to stop, we simply press the remote start button again. Now the car is off. Now, for keyless entry and go, I really want to drive a point home here in the fact that you don't need to press any buttons in order to unlock the car. So I'm actually going to lock the car first, just to prove my point. Key fob is in my pockets, my hands are out of my pockets. So again, I just need to be within 5 feet of the vehicle and simply have the key fob with me. Now I'm going to put my hand on the inside of the door handle and the car unlocked. Now, to lock the car, simply press the little black button on the side of the door handle. Now the car is locked again. But I'm getting cold. So let's go. Hopefully you found some of the information in this video useful and you can use it for your own vehicles equipped with a remote start or keyless entry system. Again, I hope this video is more of a baseline so you understand how the core features work so you can use it for your own benefit. Once again, my name is Jeremy Peterson with Bill Marsh Kalkaska. You can find all of my contact information in the video description below. Make sure to subscribe for more content. And as always, here at Bill Marsh, we are dedicated to meeting our customers at their needs. whether at one of our dealerships or with our online sales process. We are happy to bring you any vehicle for a test drive, deliver you newly purchased vehicle, and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for choosing Bill Marsh.